One of 448 black on black 1993 Ford SVT Cobras, 9,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. What's up, everybody? Night before Thanksgiving, cruising around in a black on black, no sunroof, 9,000 mile 1993 Ford SVT Cobra. When it comes to a Fox body, at least for me, it doesn't get a whole lot better than this. This is a black on black 93 SVT Cobra, and for the black on black platform, they made 400 and I believe 48 of them. And then this is also a no sunroof car, so that even makes it more special. I believe it's one of just under 300 or so without the sunroof when it comes to the black on black. This car is collector grade front to back. It is a documented 9,445 actual miles. It has its original numbers matching 5-liter, obviously 5-speed manual transmissions like all the SVT Cobras came with. Stock rear end, stock disc brakes, stock steering setup, AC blows nice and cold. All of the mechanicals perform like a brand new car. There is nothing out of place. The only things mechanically that's really been changed is it has a catback exhaust system on it. It's like a Flowmaster style catback. So to me, it doesn't get a whole lot better of a sound than some flows behind a 5-liter. And this is no different. It really sounds great going down the highway. We're cruising at 65 miles an hour right now, or 60 miles an hour right now. And again, it's like driving a brand new car, which is just super, super cool. On the interior, it is the factory black cloth interior. Like new in here, mats are great, carpets look good, headliner, visors, seat covers themselves. All of that is great. Dash pad looks good. Steering wheel doesn't have any wear items on it. The only thing I'm going to note is I do have my dash lights on right now, and the dash lights do work. They're just portions of like the tack over on the very far left. The dash bulbs are a little bit dimmer over there, but other than that, I mean, that's a really nitpicky thing. Really no other issues on the inside of this car, and again, it's like going back to 93 on the showroom floor on the inside of this car. The console's in great shape, clicks open and close like it should. Same thing with the ashtray door. Glove box opens and closes properly. This is, again, a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported, documented 9,000 mile black on black Cobra. Take a look at my Does It Work section. It is going to be posted in the additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. The only thing I'm going to have listed as a no is the right interior turn signal bulb. The little green bulb is burnt out on the dash. That's the only thing wrong. Everything else is working on this. But we're warmed up. We're going to test out that Cobra 5-liter. Fun to drive. They're the iconic Fox body at this point. Always love these cars. We do have an aftermarket alarm system with an aftermarket key fob here. You do have to press lock before you turn the key on, otherwise it won't do anything. So hit the lock button, put the key in, crank it up, and you're good to go. On the underneath, very minor surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but there's no rust issues, no problems of any kind on the bottom. Really represents like a damn near brand new car. You get, again, a little bit of surface corrosion from it being a 9,000 mile car and being from 93. It's almost inevitable, but a very, very nice underneath. On the exterior, like I mentioned earlier, you have all of your VIN tags. You have the front bumper, you have the rear bumper, you have both the front fenders, the bottom of the hood, bottoms of the doors, inside the hatch, and the hatch itself. All of your VIN tags are there. You have your door tag over here in the driver's door jamb. The paint quality on the car is very nice. A couple small little imperfections that these cars get, especially the black ones. You have some little imperfections on the hood, very minor little touch-ups around the car. It's extremely minimal stuff. I classify this as a collector grade SVT Cobra. Factory wheels, tires were replaced, I believe, in 2018. Just an excellent looking car. All of your headlights and taillights are in great shape. Did put a paint meter on it, on all of your fenders, hood, roof, quarter panels, hatch in the back. All of that paint came back as original paint on it. Clutch feels good, downshifts like it should. Suspension is going to be all factory suspension, performs great. No shakes, no pulls, no weird sounds, no rattles of any kind. Same thing with the glass, it's all in excellent condition. You do have some tinted windows, so it's a little bit darker in here, but the windshield's in excellent condition. The power windows, the power locks, all that functions properly. You do have your rear defrost button. The button kicks on, kicks off. You got your flash button, that works as well. You got your horn buttons, both the horn buttons work. AC's nice and cold, heat blows hot, switches to the defrost. All of that stuff works great. Seat foam isn't broken down at all. Again, the interior on this car is damn near brand new. Doors open and close just like they should. Same thing with the hood. You have your release under the hood, under the dash here, and then you have your secondary release underneath the hood out there. You have your electric release in the glove box there, which works. The little glove box light works. Rolling to the throttle here in second gear. Third gear pull is always fun in a Cobra. Super fun to drive these cars. Always love them here at PC Classic Cars. And I'm sorry, it is a little bit dark, gives you a little bit of a, excuse me, different perspective than our normal test drive videos, but trying to get them done before the holiday for you guys. So that's a little dark out, but like I said, a little different perspective here in the evening. Kind of a cool look out here tonight. Inside the rear compartment in the back's all OE spec, all factory back there, nothing's been messed with. Same thing with the engine compartment. When you pop the hood, this is the numbers matching motor to the car. Nothing is out of place. All of your wiring, all of your hoses, belts, everything checks out good, ready to go on this car. Like all of the vehicles here at the dealership, we like to check all of the fluids, and all of the fluids from the front to the back on this car do check out good. That's one thing that's always important, is making sure you have clean fluids, especially a low mileage car like this, so everything is good to go on this one. Odometer's rolling like it should, and this is just a fantastic car. As always, I'm Michael. This is a black on black, no sunroof, 1993 Ford SVT Cobra with a documented 9,452 actual miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. One, we want to say a happy Thanksgiving and hope you all have a great holiday season, and thank you again for stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Check out that additional information section on the website, PCClassicCars.com. We'll catch you guys on the next video, and we'll see you guys around.